Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to save videos from Capcut to gallery. The first thing you do is open up your Capcut, tap on new project, then you select the video you want to edit or add. So after selecting, tap on the video, tap on add, and the next thing you're going to do is give it a seconds to load, and then you edit your video. And once you choose everything, at the top here you see some options. Tap on it to open up resolution as the option, to open up 3 options: resolution, frame rate, and the third option. So you adjust it to the way you want: standard, high def. You can use high definition, standard definition, or the lowest definition. Then you also have the frame rate, adjust it the way you want, to the second option. You have the third option, you also adjust that the way you want. Once you're done with this, once you've adjusted it exactly the way you want, it's actually the way I want mine. Once you're done with this, tap on export. Give it a few seconds to export, and that's it. It's as simple as that.